Good morning. Today I am leaving beautiful Launceston. I'm heading to Devonport initially, then Burnie, then on to Stanley. It's about 2.5 hours, and the first stop is 101 kilometres away, which is Devonport. That's the main port that's used for transport from here in Tasmania back to mainland Australia. So just now, just going to search around for some fuel and then make my way out of the city. Quiet little city, Launceston, and exactly what I want, some fuel, so I'll get back to you shortly. There we go. Just coming through one of the towns, still about 40 kilometres to go to get to Devonport. And I was looking back at the footage. I know the wind is really loud in the background. But essentially what you're seeing is fantastic green pastures everywhere. Just green everywhere. Just the climate in the area, the wonderful dairy farms in the area. Beautiful roads. This road actually is the main road to Launceston, and it's the main road to the port, which leads to the mainland. So quite often it's heavily used, and as a result it's a better road because the government's obviously put more money into it. Fairly straight road. I know that from the next stop after Devonport is Burnie. Excuse me, is Burnie, and after Burnie is quite a windy road that gets you to Stanley. I will report back shortly. It's beautiful. Another 28 kilometres to go. Still very windy. Of course, Devonport's quite a cherry shed. That's nice. 2 big cherries. Stanley's 135, Burnie is about 95. Yeah, Devonport is the mainland route from Melbourne on Tasman. They have a ferry service that goes across, and an overnight service. And you could easily, well, you've got to book well in advance. Let me tell you, I couldn't get a booking. I had to hire a bike. I couldn't bring my own bike down here because there were just no bookings available. We'll have a look around Devonport, and then we'll head on to Burnie. Right, just going to do a short stop in Devonport. Oh, Stanley's about 120 kilometres away, and the next stop is Burnie, which is over 40 kilometres away. Very pleasant drive. This is good fun. This motorbike, V-Strom, I've never ridden a Suzuki before, but a lot of fun. Easy to ride. It's a big bike. And this is where the Spirit of Tasmania, the boat that I was talking about, the ferry, makes its way from the mainland from Victoria. Just going to ride up to this Bluff area, or probably just get totally lost, but no, it is the Bluff. We'll have a look up here and see what's up here. We'll go to the top. Nice little caravan park and tents and whatnot here. And of course I called it the Tasman earlier, it's actually Bass Strait. Here we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Lighthouse. It's always a good sign. You always get a good view from a lighthouse. Here we go. Let's park and have a look at this, shall we? I'm just in Devonport at the moment at Mercy Bluff, which is this beautiful coastal region right here. Coming up into Burnie now, B-U-R-N-I-E, about another kilometre to go. It's just a brief stop, have a look around, city centre, that's what we want. And it'll take me on to Stanley shortly after, which is about 100 kilometres away. But thought, I don't know what's in Burnie, I want to see Burnie. So, Wilson Street, there we go, turn right. This is the city centre of Burnie. For fun, we're here for fun. Just lift the visor up. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Damn, it's just, I mean it's overcast, but it's the right temperature, it's not too hot. Here we go, let's have a look. Let me introduce you to Burnie. Might be an idea if you Google the place, see where it is located. Town. I left at 9, it's now 11:15, so 2.5 hours or 2 hours 15 minutes. Coastal town. Still got their Christmas decks up. I imagine it's a holiday town. But I want to check out the coast here. It's been an enjoyable day. And the weather's held out fantastic. Luckily no rain, so that's been an absolute charmer. Oh, can't turn right. What a bummer. What a bummer. Have to go up here. Maybe have a look over this way. Not much to Burnie. It's just, they've got a surf life saving club. I can see that. And they've got a big ass port. Probably how so many products come into Tasmania from here and leave Tasmania from here. Well, that was Burnie. We'll have a quick look around and then I'll head to Stanley. I'll be back to you shortly. 68 kilometres from Stanley. Coastline is totally different from that on the east coast. East coast is white sand. Here it's pretty much rock and windy roads, lots of windy roads, which is great if you're into windy roads, which I am. I love windy roads. But as you can see, not really beach. So at the moment I am right smack bang in the centre of Tasmania on the north coast, right above the, in fact, mainland Australia, just over there, quite a way, but just over there. Ah well, if anything could happen, I'll come back to you shortly. The grass. Oh, that smell. Damn, that's good. I love the smells as you travel. That's so good. Wow. So pretty. Just coming up to Stanley now. There we are. Welcome to Stanley. If you look at the GPS just down here, I'll put it down, you can see that it's almost like a little island. It's about 4k at the moment, still to go. Oh sorry, 1.7k, almost there. Stanley is, location-wise, almost on the northwest coast of Tasmania. So I'm literally done pretty much the coastline. Tomorrow I'm heading down to Strawn, which is an inland route. One of my favourite places to visit in all of Tasmania. Don't know where I'm staying at the moment here. I've got to look it up. I have booked, just don't remember. Thought we'd have a look around the township of Stanley. I'm here just for one night. Smells so beautiful. It's fresh. All those plants. Oh. That looks like a really good hike. How good is that? Information not open today. Here we are in Stanley. I will work it out. I know there's a coastline. I know there's a road. I know the coast is this way. Or maybe maybe not. Oh, there it is. Let's go up here. It's got a Masonic lodge. If you're a Mason, here we go. Good area to park, have a look around. Made it. So this is Stanley. So this is where I'm staying the night, in Stanley at the Bayview Guest House. Amazing place. Wait till you see the inside. Used to be an old pub. This is inside the bedroom. It's got a king size bed, little kitchenette, bathroom at the rear, and a little tiny bed here. And then this amazing view. And this beautifully renovated bathroom. It's called the Nut. Just going to walk towards the main town centre now. That is really beautiful. It's called the Nut, and it was mentioned by Flinders and Bass back in 1798. And in 1892, this is what I read, they tried to put a hole, like they tried to blow it up, putting a ton of explosives into a hole, and people from all over Tasmania came to see this explosion and watch this mountain crumble. Of course, it didn't do any more than a dent, so that's why it became a nut, because it was a tough nut to crack. So there you go, bit of history for you. On my left here, tide's out, but this is just beautiful. One place you need to add to your bucket list.